So we're on our way to Positano, and it says there's a strike on the metro. So let's see how correct Apple Maps is about the strike. Yeah.
Italian train strikes happen at least twice a month.
So I guess there's no strike.
Train's coming.
It takes about an hour and 15 minutes to get to Positano from Naples.
So in order to get to Positano from Napoli, what do we have to do?
So you take the same train to Sorrento, and then you get off a few stops before that.
At a place called Meta, like Facebook.
And now we're walking to the bus.
Although we didn't stop by, Meta is one of the only sandy beaches in the peninsula.
So in Meta, you have to get the bus that's making the U-turn, and not the other bus, not the bus coming from the left. It has to be a bus making a U-turn, at least in Meta. Guys, buy tickets for the bus, or you could get a $150 fine, but we just hopped the fare. So, you gotta buy tickets, guys, because their machines never work, right? Liv? Yes. Olivia, where are we? Took us committing a crime to get here. Huh?
Positano's beauty was forgotten up until the 1950s when it was rediscovered by artists and writers.
Positano is built vertically, so your daily workout is built into your sightseeing.
Olivia, don't play with ginger cats. They're dangerous. Olivia, ginger cats are dangerous.
So vicious.
Vicious animal.
So vicious.
It's a tiger.
You're so cute. I had to leave, Ginger Cat.
Most homes in Positano can only be reached by stairs, so this means that most luggage, food, and deliveries have to be carried up. Keep this in mind when booking an Airbnb. Because Positano faces west, it has some of the most dramatic sunsets on the entire coast.
Are we?
We're in Positano. Wow, it's so pretty.
Late April to May and September to October offer warm weather, fewer crowds, and better hotel rates. From November to March, the town becomes quiet with only 4,000 people living here. During off-season, the prices for hotels drop from $1,000 to $300, but some close for needed renovations.
Olivia.
If your main goal isn't to go swimming, then off-season is amazing to take in all the sights.
During the off-season, there's literally no tourists, so you can pretty much enjoy everything without Instagramming it.
Due to the lack of car accessibility, repairs and deliveries have to happen by helicopter.
Locals joke that there's 1,700 steps in Positano, and that you don't visit it, you climb it.
Positano mailmen probably have the hardest but most scenic job delivering mail by foot.
Olivia. How's it going?
So beautiful.
This is that hotel that you said, right? Right here?
Yeah, they're redoing it.
Wanna go inside and look?
They were renovating this hotel, so it was not open for off-season.
Sometimes all I want is a little Fiat and to travel Italy in it.
Prices are so high partially because everything must be carried uphill, sometimes literally by hand.
So what is this, restaurant number 5?
Yeah.
It's not the season.
Oh, we found one. And it's completely packed.
Spaggia Grande's dark sand comes from the volcanic rock, making it strikingly different from typical Mediterranean beaches.
Olivia, what'd you find?
Finally found a restaurant. There's so many people in there.
Off-season, first restaurant. The pasta dishes were 35 euros at the one restaurant Olivia found. How much was
What do
a
you mean
caprese?
that I found? I did not find it. We stumbled upon it.
Because it was only one.
We might have to get sandwiches at the deli.
Inside the deli, Olivia finds food. How much did you spend? A beer and 3 portions of food.
18 euros.
Whereas at the other place it was what? 30 euros for a salad.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the win over here. You have secured the food for 18 bucks. Same view over there, 30 euros for a fucking salad. So our lunch with a view. How's it going, Liv? How's the risotto? $6 risotto. Awesomeness. Let the bird a bird. Are they supposed to be eating their own kind?
Cannibal.
How would you rate your meal in Positano?
10 out of 10. I mean, actually, I'll give it a 9 just because it was like ridiculously windy.
You almost got carrots all over yourself.
Oh my gosh, yeah. They're not bugging.
But the view was beautiful.
During summer, it's often faster to get around by boat than by car. Water taxis double as sightseeing tours.
I just parked her boat right there.
Beneath the town lies a buried Roman villa with preserved frescoes. It's proof that Positano has always been a luxury destination. Church bells still mark daily life, meals, events, and even quiet hours. They follow traditions older than tourism.
Here's the ferry prices if you come during season.
Many of the luxury hotels started as family homes passed down for generations. Most of the classic Amalfi Coast photos you see online are actually just taken from a few viewpoints in Positano. The church is quite basic from the inside, but on the outside it's so beautiful. Although Positano is small, it sits on one of the most protected and celebrated landscapes in all of Italy, the Amalfi Coast.
So we got some coffee.
Got the perfect seat. I don't think anyone knows. Everyone's just like standing over there.
Beautiful view. So although, there's a million people at the place next door, this is the same place. You get the full balcony.
No one knows there's like extra seating.
Walking 3 extra feet would have got them a nice seat.
Yeah.
So, ticket office is closed, but at this parking garage you could buy some tickets, and they got the timetable. So yeah, ready to go, Olivia? So when leaving Positano, you should leave from which bus stop? Why?
Because you don't have to walk all the way up the cliff.
Not only that, but also you get the final sunset.
Yeah, the other way. It's very nice. This is so beautiful. So pretty. Wow. This is like a castle something right here.
A what?
Like a castle. What's that?
I would assume that's a fort.
I definitely want the same confidence and lack of care as this kid.
So we're finally on the bus. This time we bought some tickets.
Got tickets this time.
And yeah, time to go. Bus ride. So it's the U-turn bus. Are you ready for your train? We're going back to Napoli.
Yes. It is late.
Jesus Christ. That train is hella full. Guess we're not gonna sit. How's the train? Our early train was so empty.